guys, what is up? Today I am doing a Life is Strange dislike / like video. So if you want me to do more videos like this, make sure you comment. And here we go. So basically this game is it's a one player game where you basically have to figure out what's wrong with Max. Which Max is the short-haired girl that's out of the hallway. She is this one right here. Right there, the one I just... Whoops, that one. But anyways, Life is Strange is basically a game where you have to choose sides, choose the power, choose what side you want to pick on. Or do. I like the game because it has a lot to do with like a mystery. So you have to figure out what's going to happen. You have to figure out what happened to this one girl who is missing. But in theory, is she missing or she... I don't know. Spoiler alert, but I'm not going to spoil anything for you. This girl is missing though. And Max and her friend Chloe have to go find her. The reason I don't really like it is because, I mean, there's different points. The story is all mixed up, kind of, but it works together too at the same time. There's a lot of reasons why I like it. Because I like the music. I like how the music plays into certain spots. But it's really weird and delayed too. But I don't know. Like, this video is gonna be so short, guys, and I'm sorry about that. But let me jump in. Okay, so this, I don't like this kid right here, the boy that you see. He's so rude. I don't know. This is really cool. I love the game. I love the music. I don't know if I did say that, but I might have. There's a lot of control swearing in it, but, I mean, a lot of games are like that too. I mean, this is still a good game. And I really do like it. There's not much I can say about disliking the game, but yeah, there's not much. So, I'm just gonna end it here. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, just comment down below. Like this video. I'm sorry this video is so short, but I'm gonna end up saying here because I was watching. Peace out.